Hey guys, this is Steven. Just doing a review on the newest RC that I got. That's the last one. This one is a boat, which I'm really excited about. They call it the Race Beast, and it's the first boat that I've got, and I'm really stoked about this. This thing goes on the water about 40 miles an hour. I was outrunning actual boats with this thing, which was crazy. Almost lost it once under under a real boat. Anyways, it really does cruise at about 40 miles an hour. I wish I had a radar gun. I just want to show you the inside of it real quick. It's got the little latches back here. Everything is sealed very nicely. There's no water seal on the top of them, but then you have a 6-latch water sealed right here, and that's what we've got on the inside. Check it out, super nice, heavy duty. Really happy with this. Really, for a first timer with a boat, it's perfect for me, which is why I got this, because I wasn't familiar with boats, so it's already all together. Super simple design. It's got all the speed that I want. Really exciting to run, and of course, it's got a really nice controller, which is also super simple to use. And everything is super easy to charge. Battery life on this is really long. I was really surprised, but in any case, beautiful boat. I'm not quite sure what else to say, except that if you're looking to get one, this is definitely the boat that I recommend. I give it, for the price, I really couldn't believe the price for this guy. I got it with on a special sale, but even still, it was only like 125 bucks or something like that for me. And so you really can't beat the price. Really exciting to drive. My 5-year-old son, it blows his mind. And here's the good news: if you've got a kid, get one of these. Right, radio controlled cars are kind of, they're fun for kids to drive, but they can crash them. And this, he couldn't crash. He just drove it around and around and around as fast as he wanted, as slow. You know what I mean? It's not hard to keep it close to the beach. So I just let him go nuts on it, and he did for a long time. So quite a bit of range on this puppy. Just beautiful boat. Battery takes a little while to charge, but lasts a super long time. So yeah, definitely gets 5 stars from me. I don't know how you can do better on a first RC boat like that, for like a speedboat. But anyways, that's what I recommend. So if you want one, this is and it's your first timer, I would say get this pre-assembled awesomeness. And yeah, thanks for watching. Ready?
Yeah. Oh my god.
We need to get Nini and Pop-Up to come over now.
Okay, the lights are on, the boat is on. Let's see what it can do. It is on. Oh, geez. Damn, this thing is powerful. Little white gets cast in. Did it? No.
No. There.
I can't keep track of it.